Hello, welcome to the first of this C programming tutorial series. To get started on Windows, you're going to want to download Visual Studio. You can download the newest version, but I like to use 2013. If you're using an older version like me, you want to make sure you download the Community Edition so that it has all the C99 features. Otherwise, you might run into issues compiling your program. I'm downloading the exe installer and running that right now. We're just going to go through the installation process quickly. So Visual Studio is a compiler. This is what turns your code text into an actual executable file. You don't need to sign in if you don't want to. Select Visual C++ and whatever theme you want. Once Visual Studio is opened, we're going to create a new project. And we're going to find an empty C++ project out of all these different projects you can see right here. And we're just going to name ours Hello World. Hello World is the classic, simplest program you can write. So we're going to create a new file called main.c. Alright, so to start off, you want to include stdio.h. This includes the printf function. Then we're creating a function called int_main, which is where our program begins to run. We're going to call the printf function here and output hello world. And we're going to return 0 because our main function returns an integer, which is 0. Now we're going to go up here and go to build. And if we look in our project folder, under the release folder, you should find helloworld.exe. And this is our program. If we go into cmd here and run helloworld.exe, you'll see it prints out hello world. Congratulations, you've just created your first C program. Thank you for watching. If you like these tutorials, you can download the text version of them in the description, and there are plenty more to come. This is for Windows. If you're interested in the Linux version of this tutorial, the link to that is also in the description.